Welcome to my channel, RV Gear Review. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Toyota Motorhome modified for ultimate luxury, a bold step by Toyota into the world of high-end mobile living, blending innovation, durability, and comfort in one striking package. At first glance, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome boasts a sleek aerodynamic design, not something you usually associate with motorhomes. The front fascia is modern and aggressive, with LED matrix headlights and a bold grille that gives it a confident presence on the road. The paint options are rich and refined, complementing the smooth body lines that reflect Toyota's commitment to detail. Under the hood, Toyota equips this motorhome with a hybrid V6 powertrain, delivering both strong performance and better fuel efficiency than typical RVs in its class. It offers smooth handling thanks to adaptive suspension and electronically assisted steering, making highway cruising and tight turns easier than ever. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling open highways, this motorhome holds its own with power and precision. Step inside and it's a whole new level of luxury. The cabin is decked out with soft leather upholstery, real wood trims, ambient lighting, and panoramic windows. The lounge area is like a rolling luxury suite with heated reclining seats, a built-in entertainment system, and even a retractable 55-inch smart TV. A fully equipped kitchen includes an induction cooktop, microwave, smart fridge, and quartz countertops, giving you a true home-away-from-home experience. The bathroom rivals what you'd find in upscale condos with a rainfall shower, modern fixtures, and space-efficient storage. And the bedroom? Expect a queen-size memory foam bed, personal climate control, and blackout blinds for a perfect night's sleep, no matter where you're parked. Smart features like voice-controlled lighting, touchscreen central controls, solar charging capabilities, and remote monitoring add to the convenience and futuristic appeal. Toyota has thought of everything to make this feel like a luxury hotel on wheels. As for safety, you get Toyota's latest suite of driver assist technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras for easier parking and maneuvering. Now let's talk pricing. The 2026 Toyota luxury motorhome starts at around $165,000. That's a hefty tag, but considering the tech, comfort, and reliability you're getting, it's a solid investment for serious travelers who want the very best in mobile luxury. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to RV Gear Review for more ultimate camper content.